We promise our customers 100% customer satisfaction, and I believe inside that statement is everything else. The Abacus way is a non-negotiable standard.
We say we're going to do something and we're going to do it.
Just doing it a lot better than everybody else.
We take pride in everything we do.
To me, it's the premier service company in the Houston area.
When I see the trucks out the road, I'm very proud to say I work here.
We're really particular about who we hire.
You have to wear a white shirt, you've got to wear our black pants, and you have to polish your shoes.
I feel good wearing the uniforms that we have. We get them dirty, we carry extra ones in the truck.
They have this appearance in 100-degree weather. You know, they go in there and give it their all.
We're going to deliver a technician that's exceptional at his trade, is extremely well trained, is drug screened and background checked, and of course the customer can feel safe with him in the home.
When a customer calls us, we're going to do everything that we can to take care of the problems that they have.
First impressions are lasting impressions, and you got to give it 100% once you enter that phone.
You could drive up to this building at 4 o'clock in the morning. There's going to be live customer service reps in our call center. We're going to be there for the customer 24/7 if there's a problem.
We go to extreme lengths to make sure customers are happy.
I think where we really shine is when we are presented with a problem.
Certain jobs sometimes don't go the way that you intend them to. Nothing ever turns out perfect, but we're going to do everything that we can to take care of the problems that they have.
We want to walk out that door knowing that you feel good. And we want you to tell the next person that you had a great experience.
If you choose to do business with Abacus, we promise that ultimately you're going to be satisfied.